To pay with Venmo on Uber Eats. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your device. If you do not have the app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is open, create an account or log in to your existing account if you already have one. After logging in, navigate to the Uber Eats home screen and select the food you want to order from your preferred restaurant. Add the items you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. At the checkout screen, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and Venmo. To pay with Venmo, select the Venmo option from the list of available payment methods. You will be prompted to link your Venmo account to Uber Eats. If you have the Venmo app installed on your device, you can link your account by logging in to the Venmo app. If you do not have the Venmo app, you can download and install it, then log in to link your account. Once your Venmo account is linked, you can use it to pay for your Uber Eats orders. At the checkout screen, select Venmo as your payment method and confirm the payment. You will receive a notification from Venmo confirming the payment, and your order will be processed. It is essential to note that to use Venmo on Uber Eats, you must have a Venmo account in the Uber Eats app. Additionally, ensure that your Venmo account has sufficient funds to cover the cost of your order. If you encounter any issues with paying with Venmo on Uber Eats, you can contact Uber Eats customer support for assistance. Paying with Venmo on Uber Eats is a convenient and secure way to order food from your favorite restaurants. By following these steps, you can easily link your Venmo account to Uber Eats and start using it to pay for your orders. Remember to always keep your Venmo account and Uber Eats app up to date to ensure seamless transactions.